Alright, so how's it going, guys? Today I have a special surprise for myself and maybe for you as well. But before I show you that, we need to take some parts off of this Tornado engine and then give him a clean as well, and then we'll show you the surprise straight afterwards. We have taken the parts off the engine. This is a clutch, 20 tooth, and this here is a Vision chain guard holder. So they both need cleaning, like, as you can tell.
Brother,
yeah, it's grimy. So we get on to cleaning now. So here I've taken off this clip what holds this washer on, and this came straight off the top of this, and now we're just going to give it all a quick clean with brake cleaner, and then we'll move on to chain guard holder. So it's all been cleaned now, like all this. And I don't know if you can see on the camera, but if you see here, you can see the heat transfers on the shoes of this clutch. So I think we're gonna rather put this one on. If you can see, it's literally only at the top. So we're gonna put that one on. We're gonna put it back together. So that is the clutch now re-put back together. So now we're going to move on to cleaning this chain guard holder. And it's a Vision one as well, so let's get on to cleaning that. And that is now done. So this is the chain guard holder, now cleaned, as you can tell. Looks basically brand new except from paint and chips. So yeah. And now we're going to move on to the surprise. Okay, so here is the surprise. It's a brand new GX200 engine supplied by Monkey Motorsports. So now we are going to put on the chain guard holder on and the clutch on that we've both just been cleaned, and then we're going to go put it on the car. Right, so we've got the clutch on and the chain guard holder on. So we're going to carry on with it tomorrow because it's a bit dark. It's going to get dark in about 10 minutes. So we'll see you then. So it's the next day now. Just before we put the engine on the car, we're just going to put the GoPro mount on. So we can hook a GoPro for round 5 of Red Lodge. So let's get doing that now. Okay, so the GoPro mount is now on. Now we can get to putting the engine on the car. So the engine's now on. We're going to quickly screw these in so the engine doesn't fall off the chassis. Okay, so the engine mounts are just about on, so this won't wobble side to side. So now let's align the chain with the clutch, and then we can put the chain guard on after. Okay, so the chain is now all aligned, but it does need to be tightened a little bit. So then now we're just gonna crack on with the chain guard, throttle cable, a Fano wire and fuel line before we run it for the first time. Let's go. Okay, so everything's on, but the Alfano wire was too short, and then the fuel line is actually damaged from where it's rubbing at the floor at Canby Kart Club. So we've got some more fuel line here that we're gonna put on, and then yeah, we should start the engine. Okay, so now we need to blow through the breather pipe to get some fuel through the fuel line up into the carburetor, and then we'll give it its first run. Okay, so everything's done. Let's get this new engine started. Yeah, so the engine sounds great, definitely a lot more powerful. So thanks to Monkey Motorsport for supplying us with this engine. And at round 5, I guess that's the only thing we can wait for really, is see how we can perform at round 5. See you then, bye.